What is up, Harriet, and welcome back to my channel. So today, as y'all could see, girl is rocking a lace front. I might do a review video on this hair in another video. This video is about how to slay your edges. And as you can see, I didn't really do too much with my edges because I knew I was going to record this video, so I didn't want to do too much to the edges so that I could show you guys how to slay your edges. I'm going to tell you guys what you need. So the first thing you need is some mousse. You already know you need some mousse. And if you don't have one of these, maybe you should invest in one of these, especially if you like wear a lot of lace front wigs and you wear weave and you like to try do your stuff yourself. Get one of these. It has a razor right in here and it's good for like cutting the hair, but you not having like a really blunt look. So get yourself one of these. If you don't have an edge, this is an edge thingamajig. It has the little comb and it has the brush so that you could brush and comb. Or you could just get like a really fine tooth comb. That works too. A rat tail comb. This is the rat tail. Yes, you need the rat tail comb. So the first thing you want to do is kind of separate your edges from the actual hair. Like a little quick fix. You can't do the baby hairs if the lace is not laid down, okay? So if the lace is coming out, you just want to go back. Make sure you stick it down. You see, as you can see, the lace is stuck. That's what you want. So I'm just going to take this hair, tuck it back, because we want to focus on the baby hairs. Okay, I left these kind of long because like I wanted to educate you guys on the baby hairs. So now if I have them like long like this is really long, this is what's going to happen. When you swoop, you see, it's going to be too long. Okay, so then you could only do the baby hairs that look like this. I don't know if you ever see people with baby hairs that look like this. Like a wave. Like it looks something like this. This is what you will get with if it's this long. Now, if you want the baby hair, like the little ones, the little dips, you have to cut it shorter, okay? You have to cut it shorter. Now, if you don't really like baby hairs, but you just want the front to look a little natural, you could leave it this long because that's how I had it. I just had it like this length, and you know, I just swoop it to the side. Like if that's the look that you want, like you don't want it to have unnatural baby hairs, you could just leave it like this and that's fine. But listen, that's not what we're here for, okay? We are here for the unnatural baby hairs that look like, you know, baby hairs all laid in a shade. That's what we're here for. So now that one, you want to cut these a little shorter. Like you want them to be like probably around here. Just, you know, if you just want a little long strip. I like to leave this because it's easier to, like, you know, if you're having issues with the lace and you just want to have a piece of hair right here, that way you could hold it and, you know, I like to leave just a little piece here, but you could cut it down, you could do whatever you want, girl. So the next thing you want to do after you have made sure that your lace is laid, okay, no lifting nowhere, you want to make sure that it's completely dry. Okay, now that it's completely dry, you want to go ahead. Oh, I forgot to mention that you're going to need a scarf or some kind of something to tie it down. Okay, so get yourself something to tie it down real quick. And then we are about to lay it. So you want to use mousse, any mousse. I like this olive oil mousse because it smells really good. And you want to put some mousse. Oh, honey. Oh. You want to put some mousse and make sure you saturate the edges. Saturate the edges. Make sure the edges are wet. Okay, if they ain't wet, you can't have laid edges. It has to be wet. Okay, and then now that it's wet, you want to go ahead and you want to just style it how you want it. So, ooh, child. So I like to use the comb to do this part, right? Brush it and then comb it. So you see, brush it and then comb it. That's the brush part of it. So you brush it and then comb it. But this works. So then we done this side, okay? Now, if your mousse drying up a little bit, you want to put some more mousse. Okay, so now we're going to do the next side. The next side is always like the tricky part. Like if you're right-handed, the next side is kind of like hard to do. Like even me, I have trouble with the next side, the left side sometimes. So you just want to bring the hair to the front and swoop back. Then bring the hair to the front, like so. Swoop, swoop, like so. Bring the hair. Remember, I tell you, like, I like a little piece down. So it's all your preference. If you don't like no little piece down and you just want to swoop this back, you can. You could just swoop it back, but I like my little piece like down like this. And I like to put like a little mousse on the little piece so that it look a little curly. So I'll do it like this, you know, like that. Okay, and then see, like right here, I want this to come out some more. So let me show you how I fix them. So I want it to come out some more, so I'm going to comb it some forward some more, like so. And swoop it back. Coming forward like so, swoop it back. Like this. See? Just like so. And now if this is the look you're going for and you're satisfied with this, all you want to do now is tie it down. And then leave it dry. I'll come back when it's dry. Okay guys, I'm back. I think I had this tied down for like an hour and a half. I end up going and do some other stuff. So I think it should be dry. So now you're taking it off. Ta-da! Ooh, honey. Ooh, honey, honey, honey edges, okay? Edges. I mean, hello. Okay, so this is what the edges is going to come out looking like. It is like hard as a rock, okay? It's not going anywhere. It's staying laid just like this. I'm about to take the cute little thumbnail real quick. Okay, so now that your edges is laid, you are going to decide what's your preference. Is your preference stiffy or your preference is soft and natural? Is it stiffy or is it natural? Now, if you like the stiff, like, and you like it like this, like it ain't moving no place, ain't going nowhere. If you like it like this, you could just leave it like this. But if you want a natural look, you're going to take your edge comb and you're just going to comb them out so that you could get like a nice little, you know, little soft look. There you have it. There you have it. So now your edges is laid, and you could blend it in. You could do whatever you want. You could blend it in, make it look soft, or you could leave it stiff. Whatever your preference is, that's what you do. But that is how you get them edges laid, okay? That is how you get the edges laid. Okay, and that's it. If you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.